Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm very, very fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Yeah, I worked before in Saudi Arabia as 6 years for one family. They're a Jordan family. And
Mhm.
I work as a nanny for 2 years old baby until he reached 6 years old. And I work also in the house as a housemaid. My employer there is very happy to me, but they are Canadian people. When they finish contract on Aramco, they left to Canada. They cannot take me, so that's why I went back to Philippines. And now, this is the first time I went to here in Dubai. I work as a housemaid and a nanny for my employer here, sponsor. She's a local, but she's very nice and all her kadama from Nepal. She called, but she left already for good. But when they need the money, she called and my madam, she let she has a good heart and she bring me back here. So that's why she told me if I can find on my own work, she let me to use her visa to me. So that's why I'm looking for a work.
How many members are they in the family?
There are six, four kids, and my madam and baba.
How old are the children?
The eldest one is running 13, I think, and the other is 10 years old,
Mhm.
and running 8, and 7 years old.
What are your duties and responsibilities while on that job?
I do, in the morning, I help to preparing the children to go to school,
Mhm.
preparing the clothes, food, breakfast. And after they went to school, I helping to cleaning the house, cooking, and everything all around.
What is your salary expectation?
Here in my sponsor, my employer here, she gave me salary like 2,500 dirham.
Okay, so you're looking for 2,500 also.
Yeah,
What is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
I love the baby, babysitting, all cooking and cleaning. I'm enjoying to work.
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook Arabic food, Philippine food, and some pasta.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Always if I feel a little hot, I will put a thermometer to check if
Okay.
he has fever.
Uh, Okay. What is your first action when the baby cries out loud?
If the baby cry, of course, I need to hold him,
What
especially if very baby.
What is the first thing you will do when the child got sick?
I will call immediately to her and ask them that he's sick, and then if they say to take to the doctor, even I'm the one to take them.
During your free time, what are the things you like to do?
And my free time, yeah.
Yes.
Especially my off time, I'm coming to my sponsor house to sit to my cousin and cook Filipino food and ito mo sometimes.
How long do you want to work in UAE?
10 years, 12 years.
You think you will be a good full-time maid?
Oh, I promise you.
Can
I
you tell
swear.
me why?
I know that if I get my employer and they will be happy to me because I'm honest, I'm a good work, I have experience. I work on family. They will be happy to me, even to my sponsor here. They love me. They will, I love them.
Okay. Thank you and nice talking to you.